Welcome to Catapult Carnage. My name's Chris. Today we're going to shoot my new Classic and some darts. It's been a while since I've uploaded. I've been really busy with the kids, the newborn, my son Killian, Neve, Caden. Shout out to the kids. But yeah, hectic family life, work life. I've been making a few catapults on the side. Really busy lately. Not much time for you guys, which I apologise for, but here we are. Today I bought myself some more darts from Sniper Sling and I want to try them on my new Classic. Called this one the Classic just because it's got a kind of classic retro look to it, but yet it's got that modern vibe as well with the clips. Holds beautiful, shoots beautiful. Let's shoot some darts into my log there and see how she goes. Alright guys, so here's my setup. The damn thing would focus. Let's let a few go. Oh my goodness. These bands that Sniper Sling send out with the darts really are tailored well to them. They shoot phenomenal. These darts, these are so much better than the fishing darts you buy off eBay, because you know fishing darts aren't made for this. Let's go and check it out. So this is actually one of my rocket stoves. You'll have probably seen one of my rocket stove videos before, for you loyal subscribers out there who watch all my stuff. I appreciate you guys, but this is some well seasoned stuff. And we're penetrating past that little barb, you know, and you can tell they're really hard to work out of there. You know, they're well in. There's so much potential with these projectiles, these rounds, for all kind of hunting, survival, and them type of scenarios. You know, there is a danger element to them, obviously, because they have to fly straight past your hand. So if you're not careful, or if you're inexperienced with the slingshot and regular ball bearings, you know, these here are pretty dangerous. A little twig in there too. You know, you do not want one of them in the hand, let me tell you. So you can you have the option to buy a glove. The reason I don't wear a glove, and I've got a lot of kind of critics about not wearing hand protection, I'm very experienced with a slingshot, to say the least, and the way I brace, I've developed a hold and a style, and the glove impedes me to do that. You know, it impairs the hold. It makes me hold differently, wrong for me. So I feel like I have more chance of an accident wearing the glove, because you know, it takes away that comfort element for me. But if you're certainly new to it and you're hell-bent on shooting these darts, you know, I don't recommend beginners shoot them. But if you are going to do it, wear the glove. Right, let's try and shoot our little orange. Okay, the catapult, my darts, 4 shots to hit the orange. Dead center. Obviously offering no resistance. You know, these things are so awesome. Get my vitamin C. Alright guys, if you're enjoying this video at the minute, please do me a big favour, hit the thumbs up. If you want to ask me any questions, drop me a comment. And as always, thanks to all you subscribers, and I hope some of you new viewers might decide to subscribe as well. Alright, so another few shots so you can see me and the target in picture, and how I'm shooting them. So we've got 4 shots, we've got my classic, we've got our log. So let's kind of just see what sort of grip we get, and you guys can see how I'm letting them go. My God, they shoot lovely. Just skim one off the side. Before we go, let's do the last shot from a longer distance. Okay guys, so you can see first shot, first hit balloon, second shot went here just to the side, third shot went just to the other side, fourth shot bang in the middle. I do feel like my accuracy is improving with these darts, and I'm quite happy with that. They're really fun to shoot. Right guys, here we have the longest shot yet. The green balloon way down there. I've got 3 shots, let's see if I can do it in 3. Yes! So I had that balloon wedged in between these 2 darts, and you can see that's pretty good, pretty close to center. I'm happy with that. See what I mean guys? Doesn't take long at all. It's going to take me a minute or 2 working them out of there. Alright guys, let's take a look at some Titans on this beautiful September 2020 day. Let me know in the comments down below how your 2020 is going so far. But anyway, I want to show you my Titans. These are all going to my buddy Mr. Taylor in the Isle of Wight. He ordered 18 catapults, 3 full sets off me. Put my heart and soul into these, as I do every frame that I make, and I hope that he's going to get many years enjoyment and shooting out of them. So here we have the small TTF, medium TTF, and large TTF. The large OTT, medium OTT, and small OTT. I developed this design in stages through many years of these skeletonized paracord frames. I love them because they're light, pocketable, comfortable to hold. The brass clips is a new addition this year, which adds a lovely bit of weight to the tips, which helps reduce recoil upon release. Paracord is top quality American paracord. Doesn't fray or shrink or expand or slip or any of that. This is, you know, the most expensive paracord I can buy. So I developed this design over probably 3 or 4 years. I think the first variation I made of this catapult was in 2017, and I landed on what I consider now to be the perfect evolution, you could say, of the design. And once I was happy with it, I introduced the different sizes. So, you know, I should have a catapult there to suit everybody's needs, from large hands, medium hands, small hands, you know, different widths. You know, so we've got 85, 90, 95, 85, 90, 100. We've got the OD green, black, woodland and black, coyote and black. And I'm going to introduce a couple more colours. These are the colours I currently stock. I'm going to bring out an Arctic camo and possibly another colour. But I just thought I'd take this opportunity to show you guys these frames. And we've got a nice shine on the tips, left dull finish at the back, so it doesn't, the sunlight doesn't reflect back and glare at you. Let me know what your favourite colour is down below, guys. And if you'd like one of these, you can contact me on Facebook or Instagram, or you can email me. I'll stick up the details in the comments. Anyway, guys, that's it for this time. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate all you guys that like, comment, subscribe. You really help me out. Thanks to everybody who's ever bought a Titan from me this year. You've really helped me out, more than you would know. And let's hope the last bit of 2020 is better than the first. See you next time, guys.